Hello everyone, this is lesson number 21, HSK free, and let's start. Before we learn this one, 迟到, to be late, 迟到. Next one, 欢迎, to welcome someone. 结婚, to get married. 银行, bank. 同事, colleague. 以前, before, previously. 久, a long while, or a long time, or for a long time. 感兴趣, to be interested in something. So today we learn 4 new words. It's first one, it's 半, half, 半. Let's see. I waited for half an hour. 我等了半小时。我等了半小时。我等了 I waited for 等了 it's waited past simple 等了等 it's to wait or something. So 我等了半 half 小时 hour. So 半小时 half an hour. 我等了半小时 or sometimes you can say 半个小时。我等了半个小时。Let's see next one. Half a year ago, he got married. 半年以前，here's 半年以前，this 半年以前他结婚了。So 半年 half a year. 以前 it's ago. 以前半年以前 half a year ago. 他结婚了。Get married. So as you can see, he got married and a year ago. So it's past simple and了. Here's so 半年以前他结婚了。Let's see next one. I ran half a kilometer. 我跑了半公里。公里 it's li it's a Chinese measure system. Half a kilo, roughly half a kilo. But gong here is public or common. So gong li it's public or just kilometer. They used international. So 我跑了 I ran, also past simple. 跑 it's to run. 我跑了半 half 公里 half a kilo. So 我跑了半公里。Next one is 接 first one 接 to meet to pick up. It's a very hard character because it has a lot of different meanings. One of them to meet, one of them to pick up. Let's see. And still has a lot of different. I go to the bank to pick him up. So here just to pick someone up. 我去银行接他。我去 I go to 银行 I go to the bank. 我去银行接他 to pick him up. 接 it's to pick someone up, and 他 is it's here is him. So basically he, but in English we need to say him. 我去银行接他 to pick him up. 接 Let's see. He picks me up to go to the park. 他接我去公园。他接我 He pick me 接我 picks me up to go to 去公园 public park 公园 to the park. 他接我去公园。Next one. My colleague helps me pick up a friend. 同事帮我 helps me. 同事帮我接朋友。同事 it's a colleague or you can say my colleague, but I think also colleague quite possible. 同事帮我 helps me. So 帮 it's to help someone. 同事帮我 helps me. 接朋友 to pick up a friend. 接朋友。同事帮我接朋友。Next one is 课 it's a quarter. Let's see. I waited for quarter of an hour. Quarter.
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 Quarter. Quarter.
Quarter.
Quarter.
Quarter. So it's error kind of missing. Quarter. 我等了一刻钟。我等了it's to wait something. 等了 it's a past simple. 我等了 one quarter 一刻钟。钟 it's just for time, like 1 o'clock or quarter o'clock, but here's 钟 represent time. So 我等了一刻钟。Sometimes 钟 also used for precisely 15 minutes. For example, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, just 2 hours. O'clock. No, o'clock, it's a bit different. 一刻钟. Here's, I think 钟 represent precisely. Clock, bell, hour, minute. So you can see just for hours and minutes. So it's kind of necessary. 我等了一刻钟. Because if you just say 一刻, you don't understand a quarter of what. In English we use quarter of hour. Here is also, I think we can use this like an hour. Or you could say of time, but hour also could be. 我等了一刻钟. Next one. He was late by a quarter of an hour. 他迟到一刻钟. 迟到 it's to be late. So 他迟到一刻钟。他迟到一刻钟. Next one. A quarter later, he arrived. 一刻后他来了. As you can see, 一刻后. We cannot see this one. 一刻钟. No. But I think it's because it could be omitted if it's not in the end of the sentences. As I can see, here is in the end of the sentence. Here is it's not. So maybe it's this the pattern, but I think it's better to ask Chinese a Chinese teacher, or ChatGPT also could help. 一咳喉，他来了。一咳喉，他来了。1 hour later, or 1/4 of hour later, he arrived. 一咳喉，他来了。So, last one for today is 差 less than or to be like of something. Also used for time. As you can see, we have 3 words connected with time. This one, ban, half. Also before it was 久 for a long while. Next one, it's 个 quarter. And today it's and this one is 差 less than to be like of something. Let's see examples. It's a quarter to 8. 差一刻到8点。差一刻. As you can see it's like or less than 1 quarter or 50 minutes. 到8点. 8点 it's 8 hour. And 到 it's to 8 hours. So it's a quarter to 8. Or you can say we're missing 1/4 up to 8. So less than 1/4 to 8. So it's pretty logic. 差一刻到8点. Let's see. I'm 5 yuan short to buy a skirt. So I don't have 5 yuan because so I have all the other yuan, but I don't have 5 yuan. 我差5元买裙子. So I lack of 5 yuan to buy a skirt. 买裙子 or dress also could be 买裙子. 我差5元买裙子. Next one, he's a little lacking in running. 他跑得差一点. So you can see 差 sometimes represent also could be bad at something. So 他跑得差一点. So 差一点 a little. So 差一点 little lacking in something. So 他跑得差一点. Here is the just at which degree he's lacking. 他跑得很好. So he's running very well. But here's 他跑得很差或者的差一点. So 他跑得差一点. So let's repeat what we learned today. 半 half, an hour, for example. 接 to meet, to pick up someone at the airport or in the bank. 个 quarter of an hour,个, but also could be not an hour, any quarter, 个. And 差 less than, to be like of something, 差. And let's learn one new idiom for today. Before we learn 一举两得, 1 action, 2 gains, or kill 2 birds with 1 stone. 一举两得. Next one, it was 人山人海, 人山人海, person, mountain, sea. So it's a sea of people, very crowded. Person, mountain, person, sea. And today we learn this one. 百发百中. What does it mean? 百 it's 100, 发 it's shoot, and 中 it's hit. Hit the target, you can see. Hit the target every time or always successful. 百发百中. He always gets perfect scores on exams. He's amazing. 他考试百发百中，很厉害，很厉害。So as you can see, by fa it's like to shoot 100 times and to get it 100 times correct as a target. 这个fa it's to shoot or to issue something. So, but here's I think to shoot is good. 百发百中。他考试百发百中。Okay, so it's all for today. See you in the next one.